Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good day from Angola. From Angola, from Uganda, from Nigeria, and am I correct? From Angola, that's Francisco, from Bolu, Nigeria, Oluwaseun, Nigeria, Robert from Uganda. Am I correct? Afesumi Precious. Hello, Nigeria. How are you? Good afternoon. Good morning. Wherever applies to you, whichever that applies to you. I hope I'm coming loud and clear. Can you hear me loud and clear? I hope there's no echo coming out. Can you hear me loud and clear? Great stuff. Yes, thank you so much. Thank you for the confirmation, Oluwaseun. Thank you so much for confirming that. Excellent, excellent, great. Thank you. Great. So, Abu Malik. Hello, Abu Malik. Your name is so newish. So newish. Are you coming for the first time here? Thank you for confirming that. Precious, thank you for that. Mohammed, hello. From Nigeria, good afternoon, good evening. I think in Nigeria now it will be the good evening, right? Sound is good. Excellent, thank you. Tumelo, Pretoria. Good. From Pretoria. So you are hearing me from Pretoria. That's a long, long way. long way. Nkube. Hello. Sandile. How are you doing today? Is everybody good? Excellent. Great. So it's a good day for trading today. Today is Friday. So we're going to take it very, very easy. We're going to do a few examples. And we're going to give ourselves some time to relax for the weekend. Okay? Yes. Thank you so much. So where shall we start today? Shall we start from Telegram? Let's start from Telegram. Let's see what happened in Telegram today. See what people were talking about. I haven't actually had time to be on Telegram that very much today. Okay. All right. So this is our Telegram today. Let's see. Hey, currently, let me tell you, currently we are 1,149. We're closing to 1,150. Great. All right. As usual, let's see the contributors today, right? So we have Anthony. Okay, Anthony just finished registration. So Anthony is the latest person to register at yourtradementor.com. Initially, it said he finished registration, went to his spam to confirm his account, but saying link expired. No such address here. Please, I need help. But he now confirmed that yes, I have successfully logged into my dashboard. So let me tell you what happened there. So when you create your account on YTM, yourtradementor.com, automatically it enables your account. So whether you confirm your email or you don't confirm your email, it will still give you access. So people don't realize that they already have access to it, and by the time they get to their email to confirm it, it might say the link has expired. So, but just log in. Once you registered, he has recognized you. He knows who you are. Hey, GBP USD, FX Ibrahim, hello. Good to see you. Yes, you hope for the best. Yeah. Aliu, Abu, you hope for the best. That's it. Okay, it's competition. So your account is not synchronized. Okay, we'll show competition as well. All right, we'll show competition as well. So thank you for registering. Anthony, you are the latest person on our website there, which is great. So Oluwaseun, thank you. I think you are becoming active as usual. Wasame is always active there. Thank you so much. Yeah, Joseph Pips. I like this person. Where's the comedy today? He didn't show us any comedy today. He used to give us a lot of fun time. We like to see his gifs and his postings. All right, excellent. The 4th of July is America. Please say something about it. Okay, 4th of July, yes, that's a holiday. Okay, we'll talk about it soon. In fact, we are going to go to Forest Factory now and discuss a little bit about Forest Factory. Okay, so Al Amin also is very active, which is fantastic. Thank you so much. Very good. Very good. Temba, let's see. Temba replying. Okay, we see some few chats here. Some people showing their SBX box. There you go. Great stuff. Okay, all right. This guy is enjoying himself, right? All right. Give a shout to Dak as well. Dak has been very contributory, very helpful. Thank you so much, Dak. You can see his name everywhere. See, he's been replying to people. He's been answering a lot of questions, which is good. Excellent. Good stuff. Who's there again? Robert. Who is going to forget about Robert? Robert is here. The man from Uganda. Thank you so much. Great stuff. Okay, thank you. You see, it's talking to you now. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Right. That is me. They're saying thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Oh my goodness. Okay. Right. So there's a lot of discussions here today. I can see so many things going on. Excellent. Okay. So if you have not joined this group yet, this Telegram group, it's about time you consider joining, because you can see all the discussion going on. People are talking about moving averages, talking about stop loss, talking about what is happening in the market today, which is good to chat, good to discuss, have more understanding of what is happening. Authentic Traders Academy, I think, it's also contributing to the discussion, which is very good. Thank you so much, all of you, for fantastic work. Bolu, you are new. Okay, relax. All right, you want to join Telegram? All right, let me put it across to you. I think you make a very good decision to join that thing, because now we have team leaders and we have moderators on Telegram group. Okay, let me tell you their names, so in case you encounter them, you know they are not just ordinary member. They have been elevated. They have special access. I'll tell you their name very shortly. Okay, so let's see these results. All right, this is a result. Okay, this is today, right? So this is one of the results that is posted today. Yeah, so this is one of the results that is posted here today. This is good result. I didn't see many results today. That's one. Okay, this is another one. Yeah, that's also today, right? That's also today. Excellent.
For the best.
Okay, so
for today's trades.
this guy is saying something about all his trades today. He's so happy about it. Look at all the green. How come?
USD,
Who is this guy? Yeah.
and it's bullish.
So you know what you're doing.
Yeah, this is for today.
Excellent. Good stuff. Keep it up, man. Keep it up.
Thank you.
Keep it up. Okay. Great stuff. Excellent. So that's a good one. What's his name? Okay, that's Nati Shigenu. Ah. Okay. That's good. That's good. Well done. It's suggesting that today is a dangerous game today. Let's see this one. Okay. So it's saying that in London, he made 2 trades in London, and probably these are the trades in Asia. All right. Good stuff. So people go around looking for opportunities. So you don't sit in one place. You move around as well. It's trying GBP New Zealand, GBP Australia, Aussie Japanese, New Zealand Japanese, CAD Japanese, Aussie dollar, and so on. It's trying its best, moving around looking for opportunities. Okay, good stuff. Excellent. Okay, so now let's come to the question that someone just asked me now about Independence Day tomorrow. So let me show you something quickly. All right, I'm going to show you. You know it already, Forex Factory. If you don't know Forex Factory already, it's not difficult. It's one of the tools that a lot of traders uses. Okay, it's a trader. It's a tool that trader uses. So Forex Factory, forexfactory.com. Okay, let me quickly show you what it does. Okay. So what is Forex Factory? Okay, so Forex Factory is a website that acts like a go-to place for forex traders. What we're interested in much is the calendar. Okay, so when you click calendar, it gives you the whole week. Right, so now you just want to know what is happening. This is this week from the June 28th to July 4th. Okay, so this is Thursday, June 2nd, Friday, June 3rd. Okay, so Saturday, June 4th. Okay, but US dollar, I mean USD, that is America, today is their bank holiday. So when it's bank holiday in America, you see there will be light trading, light volume, because a huge volume has been taken out of the market. Hence, you can see that market may not have or able to sustain a reasonable trend today. You see, market may not be able to sustain reasonable trend because the usual volume is not in the market. Similarly, when you have Europe on holiday, or you have a GBP or England on holiday, Great Britain on holiday, that could be a less volume. So in that case, you need to be careful because few manipulators might be able to have a little bit of access and freedom, because now the volume is not as much as it used to be. So if few hedge funds, big banks, they get together, they might be able to decide one way or the other where prices will go. So when you see bank holidays like that in America, and bank holiday in Europe, bank holiday in Great Britain, you just need to be careful. All right, so you see there's no volume, but markets is still moving. The only thing is that there could be a lot of whipsaw, up and down, very sharp movement, because the volume is low. Excellent. So what are we expecting next week? Let's look at next week. So this is the whole of next week, right? So really nothing much going on next week. Let me quickly show you my trick. I used to do a trick here. So what I do is I'll put on just the high impact news. Okay, when you say apply filter, so next week, these are just what is going to happen. But next week is a big news for Australia, because this is the interest rate announcement in Australia next week. So watch out for that. It's going to be on Tuesday. It's going to be on Tuesday early in the morning, okay? Depending on where you are. So in your own country, it might be afternoon, it might be evening, but here in the UK, it will be very early in the morning. All right, then there's a employment change in Canada on Friday. So there's not much going on next week. Okay, this week actually, the main thing this week was the NFP, non-farm payroll. Okay, so non-farm payroll was good news for the job situation in America. So it was what came out was far better than what was expected, and hence, you know, things look a little bit better for American dollar. So watch out for all this news, especially the high impact news. They make a lot of. So here you are waiting for you already got all the forecast, so you are waiting for the actual. Any questions about that? Hello. Yes. Which is the right time to set the range? Okay, we'll talk about it. Will I only look at the 9-hour candle and move to the 5-minute chart? Okay, we'll talk about that. Hello, Ravikuma, Tantri, good stuff. Okay, so now we've finished that. Let us move to our discussion today. Okay, so let's quickly do. We have one person new in the house, right? Okay, because we have a new person in the house, we will just quickly discuss this, and then we do a lot of examples. All right, so this one is US 30. This is a US 30 is indices from America. Even though America is off today, but their indices is still yes, the indices is still on, so they still traded it today. So let's quickly use that as an example and teach the new people. All right, so this is the box. Okay, this box is the hour of 9 to 10 London time, or 7 to 8 GMT. Sorry, it is 7 to 8 GMT or 7 to 8 London time, but because I use a broker that is 2 hours ahead of me, instead of saying 7 to 8, my box will say 9 to 10. So let me show you what my box will say. Okay, so I'm going to say indicator, and my indicator is called sessions. That's the indicator sessions, and I'm going to look at the property of that indicator. All right, so the properties tell me 9 to 10 Euro session. So I'm setting Euro session. In fact, why not let me turn on okay, for the people that come for the first time, let's leave that for now. Okay, so we have the Euro session 9 to 10. We switch off the Asia and we switch off the American session by not putting any color. So when there's no color, then they will not show on the chart. All right, so you got 2 to 3 for Asia, but not shown on the chart. 9 to 10 for Europe, purple color. 14 to 15 for America, but we're not showing on the chart yet. Okay, there you go. All right, so that's the box. Now, after the box has been drawn, now you are looking for what we call the trigger candle. Okay, so the trigger candle is a candle that is formed completely outside of the box. It is formed outside of the box and it's not touching the line. Okay, if you see something that is outside the box but it's still touching the line, extending and touching the line, then it's not the trigger candle. All right, so fingers on the buzzer. Let me give you some work to do. Fingers on the buzzer. Okay, so I'm going to label one of the candle as the starting point. Like I'm going to call it number 1. It doesn't matter where I start from. What is important is that you recognize the trigger candle. Okay, so I'm going to put an arrow on one of them, and then that will be the number one candle. So you tell me what is the number that belongs to the trigger candle. Okay, if you start counting from this candle, consider this candle as candle number one. Tell me what is the number for the trigger candle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, whatever number it is, the trigger candle. If you recognize it, let me know what number it is. Hello, Forest Apostle, how are you? Hope you are well. Hope everything going on well. How do I get indicator? Bolu. Yes, indicator is on the Telegram group. I think I send you the Telegram group. Okay. Right, this is the Telegram group. Okay, let me take that off so that I will not cover it up for people that are picking up the points. All right, so Telegram group is here. All you gotta do is click there. When you click there, you join the Telegram group, and then you will go on the file section and download the indicator. The indicator is there, is free. All right. So Tumelo 6. Ben says 5. Francisco 15. Okay. Ojelabi say 4. The Forest Apostle say 5. Bolu, okay. All right. Afesume 15. Why do you go that far? Where is number 15? All right, I'll see. All right, let me make it. Let's go. Let's make sure we. That will be fun. This will be fun. Okay, Tumelo. Okay, I see a lot of people saying 15. Yeah, we'll see. That's good. All right, Reminos 5. Okay. Good stuff. So why are we having different numbers? I've seen some people say 5, 15, 4. What other numbers? Some people say, what again? Do we have anybody say 6? Okay, so we have 15, 5, 4. Okay, so 3 suggestions, right? We'll see why. 3 suggestions. Okay. FX Ibrahim from Saudi Arabia. Good to see you today. Welcome on board. Good to see you. Right. So we got Saudi here, South Africa here. We got Uganda here. We got Nigeria here. Different countries. Okay. Excellent. All right. Let's sort out this riddle. Let's see what the number is. Okay. All right. Francisco say is 4. All right. Let's get ready to check it out. Okay, so this is candle number 1. As you can see, this candle number 1, majority of it is actually inside, so, and it's touching the line, so definitely it's not our candle. Number 2, you see 3/4 of it is actually inside. It's touching the line, not our candle. All right, Francisco, go back to number 4, right? Okay, good. You can change your mind. No problems. Mo. All right, so it is not number 1. It's not number 2. Well, number 3, majority of it is outside the box. But as you can see, it's still touching the line. So it's not the candle. All right, that's not 1, not 2, not 3. Number 4, I can see number 4 is still touching the candle, is still touching the line. I will tell you that it is not our trigger candle. Okay, now we go to number 5 here. All right, is there any reason why we say number 5 is not our candle? We can see number 5 is completely outside of the box, and we can see the gap between number 5 and the line. It's not touching the line at all. So if you say number 5, like who has said that? Let's start from people who have said number 5. Ben Davis say 5. Forest Apostle say 5. Remino say 5. Anthony say 5. Francisco say 5. All right, those people that say 5, you are correct. Give yourself a pat in the back. That's correct. That's number 5 because it's not touching the line. Okay. So number 6, actually, once we find the trigger candle, we don't bother to count the rest anymore because there's no point. We got what we want. All right. So that is the answer today. Well done, everyone that got it. Well done. Good job. So that is not the end of the story because that is just the beginning. So to identify the candle is a big job, but once you have identified the candle, then you need to trade it. Okay, so what do you need to do? What you need to do is to put your buy position at the close of that candle. Oh, sorry, your sell position, because this is breaking below the line. Okay, so at the close of this candle here, at the close of this our trigger candle here, you put your sell position. So you put your sell position at the close of this candle. It's a great place to sell. You could see it's very close to the line. Very good. Then this is your stop loss, or 1 or 2 pips above it. And your take profit target is the size of this box. So remember, this is DE30. So the way US 30, sorry, US 30, the way they write it might be different from the usual. So this one say 11647. So let's just say it's 116 pips. Okay, 116 pips. And let's see if we manage to get 116 pips. Okay, let's zoom out more. Okay, so we see where we enter that line. That dotted line is our entry. And let's see, 116 for the target. Okay, this is 3. All right, this is 114. Okay, so 116. All right, so here we get our TP1 here, 116. The TP2 will be 232. 232. Yes, here this is 260 something. So we got our TP1, TP2. I don't think we got up to TP3. So we got TP1 and TP2. So you set your take profit target. So TP1 is the size of the box. TP2 is twice the size of the box. TP3 is 3 times the size of the box, and so on and so forth. Excellent. Any question? All right. Any questions? Okay. Any questions today about this one? I hope the new people has got that. Okay, so now that we get that of the way, what we're going to do now is let's expand this to the 3 sessions. Okay, I showed you there are 3 sessions before, so let's expand it to Asia session. So pick a color for Asia and also pick a color for America session, so we can do all of them simultaneously. Okay, right, so now we got 3 sessions. So for this particular instrument, so you can see here in Asia, if you trade Asia, you put your line here, and then you put your other line here at the bottom here. You are looking for cross, so there's no trade here. You can see there's nothing that crosses it. Let me make it bigger. You can see there's no trade here, right? Neither there's no trade here also, because there's no trigger candle here. There's no trigger candle here. There's no trigger candle here. It is here we got a trigger candle. We got a trigger candle right here. This candle is a trigger candle. So you'll be selling from there. Okay, let's just say we sell from there. You put at the close of that candle, that's where you sell from. And then let's see what happened. Okay, so you sold from here. You probably don't make anything until you get to Europe, we are probably stopped out and in Europe. Then in Europe, you move your box. In Europe, you got you sell here. You get a trigger candle run about here. Yes, there's a trigger candle there, and then you got your TP1. By the time you get to America, you move your box again to American session, and American session you probably this will probably, you will not probably trade this one because this is your trigger candle and it's so large, it's so large, so you avoid that one. Okay, excellent. Any question? All right, which time frame? 5 minutes. It's a 5-minute time frame. We deal with 5 minutes only. Okay, so we are developing something on the Telegram channel, Telegram group now. Very soon we are going to modify SBS to include filtering. We're going to include some filtering so that we can filter out any false trade, false signal. So our team are working seriously on that, seriously working on it. We know as it is profitable, yes, but can we make it better? Yes, why not? There's nothing in life that can't get better. There's nothing that is perfect. So even though it works, but we are open to making it better. All right. So we are working on that, and once we find the solution, the best solution, we have different solutions, but once we get the best one, we think you will also be carried along. Okay, most importantly, we have a website now where all our members congregate. So if you are not part of that website, you may not even know when this is happening. Okay, so we were lucky today that we are together on YouTube channel, but there's another place where we live 24/7. You can ask a question anytime. Now you catch me on YouTube tonight. In the next few, maybe 1 hour or 2 hours, we'll finish. But on the other websites where I'm talking about, we don't finish there. Okay, so let me quickly show you what we are doing. Okay, so this is the website I'm talking about. So it's called www.yourtradementor.com. Okay, so this is my mentorship portal, so where I want you guys to congregate. All the questions you are asking me now, these questions will be answered there, because we are going to launch a new forum. We're going to use a Discord. Maybe you guys heard about Discord. Yeah, if you have used Discord before, let me know how you feel about it. Currently we are using Telegram, but we are moving to Discord very soon. So all the discussion will be there. The thing about Discord is that it has different channels. So it has a voice channel where you can chat with people. It has a text channel where you can just do things like we do on Telegram, and it has a video channel as well where you can actually see each other via video, via your laptop, whatever, camera. So I can address you, I can do live session with you, we can trade live together. Ahmed L, why will you move to Discord? Okay, because of the facilities of the Discord. That's why we are trying to make sure we utilize all the abilities. In Telegram, we know we want to do more, but we discover that once we post something, it just go over, messages go over. You can't even see what somebody has said 10 minutes ago because something else has covered it. So we couldn't make different topics. We couldn't make different channels. So it's just one big lump sum with Discord. But we are still gonna keep. We're still gonna keep Telegram. Telegram is still gonna be there. It's not going anywhere. So don't worry about it. It is still our baby. Oh my goodness. Reminos. Oh, is there another form of payment on the site? Okay, yes, I know. Some people are having issue with PayPal. I think it has to do with like address, and things like that for people registering with it. So we are working on a new additional payment options, payment gateway. But I can assure you that loads of people have used PayPal and it worked for them. But I understand it could not work for everybody. So we are going to add one more or two more payment gateways to assist people like yourself, Reminos. So thank you for bringing that to our notice. It's wonderful. So can't wait for Discord. Okay. So to be honest, myself, I'm just learning how to use Discord. So we're gonna make use of it. But I've seen the potential. It's actually very, 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 very okay. So having said that, let me show you the website, because it wouldn't it won't be nice to just show you this without showing the actual website. Okay, so the actual website, you just type in your browser yourtradementor.com. okay, so you type yourtradementor.com in your browser, and then you are onto the site. Okay, so this is the site here. This is where traders like yourself, you want to learn how to trade properly. So I've created 3 packages to do that. Okay, the silver, the gold, and the diamond. I'm going to scroll down to where the details actually are, the real detail, okay, of the 3 packages. So the 3 packages are here. Okay, if you look at it, you can see different prices. But if you look at the detail between them, you see 3 of them, they are the same renewal fee. Okay, and look at what each package contains. Complete tutorial video, exactly the same. 3 powerful trading strategy, exactly the same. Access to members only forum, exactly the same. Live trade session review, live trade review sessions, exactly the same. So why 3 different prices? Okay, that's a good question. The difference is that this gold package, they have a 1-to-1 mentorship with me, 1-day mentorship, or we say it's 2 hours mentorship. So you choose a day that you prefer, you like, and you choose the hours that suit you, and then we have conversation. Me and you will talk. What are we going to do? We're going to choose a strategy for you and create a trading plan. So you have to follow that plan. Once we finish our discussion, you will follow that plan, and hopefully that will be the catalyst that you need to change your trading career. So some people will say, well, I think 2 hours is okay for me. I just need a quick brush over. Some people will say, no, 2 hours is just too little. I need a holistic view. So you need 3 days, or we call it 6 hours. Okay, so if that is you, then I'm going to sit with you on Zoom video conference call, just 1-to-1, me and you only. I know you have asked for it for many years. Here we go. Here it comes. So we are going to analyze everything about your trading, and then we'll set you on the path to success. So what do you pay for this? Okay, so to come into the website and enjoy all these facilities is only $50. These all these are one-off payment. So the $200 will give you the 1-day mentorship with me, okay, and the $500 will give you the 3-day or 6-hour mentorship. Okay, so we do 1-to-1 together. After that, you don't pay $200, you don't pay $500 anymore. You just pay the standard $50. Okay, but tonight, this evening here, I know a lot of you have already joined. So if you have not joined, this is for you. And I don't want to give people discounts, and I don't give you. Okay, so tonight, because you are here and I really want you to be part of it, I don't want anyone to be left by themselves. So I have promised that people will not say they couldn't come to my mentorship because they don't have money. Therefore, I have slashed this 50. I've slashed it to just $10. So not 40, not 30, not 20, $10. So if you are a forex trader, I'm sure you can afford $10 for the whole month. Okay. But if you want to do gold membership, go ahead and register for that immediately, because my calendar is getting filled out. I've got a calendar now that is already filling out. So, and if you want to do diamond, which means 3 days, please go ahead. Don't wait, because you need, it's first come first serve. As you know, I only have few hours in a day to teach, and if those hours have been booked, unfortunately, that's it. It's gone. It's gone. It's gone. All right. So tonight, you are not going to pay $50. You are going to pay just $10. So let me show you what to do. Okay. If you are interested, so get your laptop ready. I want to show you now how you can get this for $10 only tonight. So you go to your tradementor.com. You have two options. Either you click register at the top, or if you click register, you come to this same page, or you click start mentorship from here. Okay. If you are looking for the $10 one, remember you have to choose the silver package. Okay. The discount is only on the silver package for now. Okay. But for gold and diamond, this is one-to-one. This one is me and you. We are chatting together about your trade. Okay. You have 100% of my attention, because it's not a group lesson. It is just me and you. All right, so you click start mentorship, okay? And it will take you to registration page. So it takes you to a registration page where you are going to get yourself ready to register, okay? So when you get here, you type your name, and you choose your time zone. Okay, your time zone could be that. Put the correct phone number for yourself. Okay, the time zone is very important. Okay, the time zone must be your correct time zone. So if you are in Africa, you look for your own time zone. We have Kigali, Luanda. So make sure you find the right one. If you are in America, we have different ones. Katamaka, San Jose, Tukma. And if you are in Europe, you look for yours as well. So I'm going to look for mine. And if you are in Asia, Australia, look for the right one. So I'm in Europe. So I'm looking for Europe, London. London. London will be up there. So just take your time to find it. You're going to find it. You just need to take your time. So this is mine here. You can see here, Europe, London. Okay. It's the same thing for the phone. Make sure you put the right phone there. Okay, GB44. All right, next. Okay, so this is where the magic will happen. Okay, this is where the magic will happen. First of all, let me quickly send you this registration first. Okay, register. So if you want to register, just click this right now and go there to register. Okay, so for this referral ID, just leave it empty. Don't worry about it, because you are not yet registered. But once you register, you get your own referral ID, you get your own referral link. What does that mean? You can send it to your friends, you can send it to your social media pages, and if anybody use that link to register with us, you will get paid. So if you invite a lot of people, you could make serious amount of dollar. So consider doing that as well. So for email address, you can put any email of your choice there. Just make sure that email is correct, because we will send confirmation to your email address. Okay, so make sure you use a very strong password. Use strong password, then you click next. All right, so when you click next, okay, you see the silver package is still showing here as $50. Okay, it's because if you don't get a discount code from me tonight, you are going to pay $50. Okay, people have paid $50 to register already, but tonight I don't want you to pay $50. I want to give you that discount. Okay, but remember that discount is not going to be there forever. It's only for a short period of time. So the discount code that I'm giving you is this. Oh no, let me go and get the right discount code, because this is the web address I just pasted here. So the discount code I'm going to give to you is this one here. All right, this one here. Okay, that is the discount code. All right, but I want to do something to this discount code first. So I want to because as it is, it's going to work, but some people told me that it doesn't work. Reason is, when they copy it, they copy with a space. See, I'm making space, I'm pushing it, and now let me say apply. See what's going to happen. You must wait for the confirmations. Oh, discount code is wrong, kindly check it and try again. I've got a lot of people that says that. Some people have said that to me. You know why? Because when they copied the discount code, there was spaces which they didn't realize. There's a white space. So you have to delete the space. Make sure there's no space before and there's no space after the discount code. Then you click apply down. But you must wait, okay? So click applied and let's see what happens. Hey, hurrah! Discount applied. So discount applied. Let's see what happened after that. Look, you were supposed to pay $50. It has removed 40 out of it, so you got only $10 to pay. Okay, my traders, my subscribers, this is a chance, opportunity for you to join me now, right? There's no more excuse not to make money in Forex. All right, so now once you do that, you complete registration. Okay, you click complete registration. Remember to choose a card. As I was talking to Reminos earlier, okay, so some people have issues because we have only one option. So very soon we are going to add maybe 1 or 2 more options, so that if you can't use PayPal, then you can use something else. Okay, so complete registration. Even with PayPal, you have 2 options. You can either use your normal PayPal or you use credit card or debit card. Okay, so you fill in the detail and click complete registration. That's it. Once you've done that, you are part and parcel of yourtradementor.com. Okay, so what do you get in addition to that? So I will go back to the website. I want to show you something. I know some of you know it already, but let me show you. So once you register, you will immediately, you are enabled. So once you register, you can log in right away. Though you get a message that says check your inbox for confirmation email. We've made sure now that you are confirmed automatically now, because some people find it difficult to find the email because it goes to their junk or spam folder. So what we did is we make sure that that email or that account is enabled instantly. So once you register and it says successful, just put your email address and the password you have chosen, you are in. All right. So what can you gain as well is this. For the fact that you have registered and you log in, you get log into your own specific area of the platform. And also we have a store. Okay, this store has products, and these are our products that we are people are buying from us. So, but as a member, see all these indicators, these are indicators, and let me show you. We have strategies as well. So this is just the beginning. We are loading this with quite a lot of strategies and a lot of more indicators. So we are going to have indicators. We are going to have ebooks and a lot of stuff there. Okay. So this is the SBS. Original price $150. That is Bollinger Band trading strategy. That's $150. Trading journal spreadsheet, no lag moving average, Renko bar builder. This is expert advisor. All right. So all these things, if you are not a member, you pay for it. But because you are a member now, we are going to give you a coupon code, a coupon. So that coupon will entitle you to 100% discount of all these products. Okay, 100% discount. So if you add all this together, this is already this is itself, this is already $400 or so here, and the previous page is already $400. So you are looking at about $800 already for the price of $10 you pay. All right, let me give you the discount code. All right. Jesus. Here is the discount code. You can go there right away and use that discount code. So for the price of $10, ladies and gentlemen, you have access to all these indicators. And this is just the beginning. More are coming. Don't download everything one day. I'm joking. I won't tell you how many you can download. You have access to all of them. You have 100% discount on all of them. So even if you go ahead and download that $150 package, the one I was just talking about, $150 package, so be it. But make sure you use it to trade, because all these things, all these indicators, they are indicators that worked. They are indicators that make money in forex market that I've tested, and they were very, very good. So you will download it. If you are a member, you get 100% discount. But if you are not a member, ladies and gentlemen, you will pay the full price. Okay, so I hope you are registering right now. You are on the website, because this discount code will not last forever. So thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Any question? Anybody with any question? Can we change from one package to another? That's correct. That's a good question, isn't it? Very good question. So if you go in as a silver package, you can upgrade to gold or diamond. That's correct. You can do that. Yes, you can upgrade. So what did he say? Does it matter what color the trigger candle is when it comes out of the box? Oh, okay. Yeah, we talk about that very soon now. Okay, excellent. So you have the discount code. That discount code will give you, but remember, you are going to use it to register. It will give you 80% discount. You won't pay $50. You only pay $10. And then you come and download any of these indicators that will help you in your trading. Currency strength meter, automatic trend line. This one will draw trend line automatically for you. So all you need to do is just place it on your chart. It will draw on the 4 hour, on the daily, on the even on the 5 minute chart. You will see all the trend lines automatically. So that will help you to do what we call you trade without indicators. Okay, so you can use this trade without indicators and just look at the patterns only. All right, this whole moving average, if you have used it before, it's a very, very good indicator. It's one of the most honest indicator. It doesn't repaint. Very good. Okay, and it has alerts, arrows, and everything inclusive. Okay, excellent. Thank you so much. Okay, if there's no more questions, let's go back to our business. Let's go back to our business. Okay, so now we have looked at this one here, which is the US 30. Let's see if we can look at something else. Let's look at UK 100. This is UK 100 is the United Kingdom index. So it's the United Kingdom index. All right. So let's see what happened today. This is today, and this is Asian session. Okay, and that is Europe session. So let's quickly draw our lines here. Line here. Let's quickly draw our line here. Okay, so you can see here there is no trade. Okay, there is no trigger here. Let me zoom in. Okay, you can see here there's no trade. There's nothing that is clear cut. Okay, all these are still touching the line. Okay, let me zoom out back so you can, yeah. So actually, you can see there's no trade in Asia session. The whole of Asian session, there's no trade. And then you got into Europe. So when you got into Europe, remember, you will have to change to Euro box, because some people have asked me that question before. Okay, so it depends. So if you are planning to trade 3 sessions, then when you get to Europe, and if you don't have a position, then you will start to use the next session's box. Don't use the old box, because the box sizes are different. So now you switch to Euro box. So with Euro box, as you can see, all right, fingers on the buzzer. If you are new, I just want to set you an example, because last time not all of you got it right. So fingers on the buzzer, tell me which one is the trigger candle. So I'm going to put the arrow here. Insert arrow. Okay, let's insert arrow. I'm going to make this my trigger candle. No, not trigger candle, number 1. Okay, let me make it bigger so you can see. Okay, is that the last? Okay, that's the last. So that candle is candle number 1. Okay, which one is the trigger candle, ladies and gentlemen? That's number 1. What is your trigger candle? What is your trigger candle, ladies and gentlemen? Yes, it can be used on currency pair. Yes, we're going to use currency pair now. I just started with this one to show you that it is not just only currency. Some people, they tend to look for opportunity in different places, so which sometimes is good, because you have spread your risk. You are not just trading only one type. Okay, so Bolu say candle number 2, Ben number 2, Ali number 2, Omotosho number 2. Okay, all right, great stuff. I think some people have an eagle eye, sharp eagle eye. So thank you for seeing it. I thought it's going to be difficult to recognize, but I see all of you, or most of you, have seen it already. All right, so number 1 candle is not the right one, because it's touching the line. As you have rightly said, number 2 is the correct one, because there's a small gap, little gap. So you guys' eyes are so sharp. All right. Okay, so that gap is there. So because of that, we are going to go into the market at the close of that candle number 2. Okay, so at the close of candle number 2, we go short, right? So that is the same candle number 2. You go short at the close of it, and our stop loss is on this line, or just a little bit above it, 1 or 2 pips. And take profit target is the size of this box. Size of this box. Okay, size of this box for UK 100. They call it FTSE, yeah, FTSE 100. It's 20 pips. Okay, let's do it again. Size of the box. Yeah, let's call it 20 pips. So it's 20 pips. Okay, so in Europe, you are looking for TP1 of 20 pips, TP2 of 40, TP3 of 60, TP4 of 80, and so on and so forth. So let's see what we got. So TP of 20, we got that around here. 20, 40, we got that around here. 60, we got that around here. So TP1, TP2, TP3, we secure those ones here. Okay, and TP4 should be 80 pips, but we didn't get to 80 pips, so we wait. And then we move to American session. When America open, you pack your shop, you take all your bag and baggages, all your equipment, and you move to the next market. So the next market is American market here. Okay, so this is American market. this little doji candle will have put you in a sell trade. The sell meandering, and got here. All right, so I'll teach you something now. Okay, so let's put our sell order right there at that little candle, because that's our trigger candle. So you sold here. Okay, you didn't hit your stop loss, you still survive up to here. So let me see how many pips you were able to make from the start before it turns around again. So you made 15 pips, okay, but your target was 20 pips. So you've not hit your 20 pip target. You only got up to 15 pips, and price start to go against you. All right, anybody in the house that know our principle about this is that never let your winning trade become a loser. In the worst case scenario, you come out break even. So this is a good example. So here we have been plus 15 already at this point. Plus 15, okay? But we were supposed to be going to 20. Let's assume that this is our TP line, okay? This is 20 pips, our TP line, the same size of this box. This is the TP line. Let's put it a little bit longer, okay? Let's assume that that's our TP line, okay? And then your profits, your trade goes here. It hasn't reached your TP line yet, just a little bit to get there, 5 pips to get to TP line, and it started turning against you. It turned against you. It turned against you. And then you see your 15 pips profit evaporate right in your face. What are you going to do? Okay, what I've suggested is, when that happens, I wouldn't hesitate to come out at break even. Okay, I wouldn't hesitate to come out at break even, because if the market is so good, it should be going and hit my take profit and continue to go and hit my TP too. But if it's reversing and it's turning my profit, it wants to turn into a loss, I will come out break even, and I will shake the hand of Mr. Market and say, Mr. Market, thank you so much for today. There's no winner, there's no loser. We'll do it again next time. Okay, that's what I will do. As you can see, if you haven't done that, you just watch your plus 15. It goes to plus 10. It goes to plus 5. Here it goes to 0. It come back again, give you plus 5, maybe plus 10. It goes here now. At the close of here, it's now minus 5, minus 8, minus 12, minus 16, minus 20, maybe minus 22, and it take you out at a loss. And you have to wait all this agonizing time, agonize through all this time. Whereas you're supposed to have come out break even and shake the hand of Mr. Market. That's one tip I'm giving you tonight. Remember that tip. Write it down. Never let your winning trade turn to a loss. Okay? I've given you an example of a guy in our Telegram group. He did exactly that. So this is what he did. He followed the suggestion. So he saw his trade went into a profit of 15 pips, and it hasn't got to his target yet. And the guy said, oh my goodness, I'm going to follow this instruction. So when the price reversed back, it came out at break even. Okay, so he put it on the Telegram group and said, no, I've come out at break even. Okay, some people say, oh, well done, good job. Some people say, oh, maybe he will go back and make more money. Why did you come out too early? Okay, so the guy was just watching. Really, the price also tend to say like it's going back again, and the guy was regretting. So he put it on the Telegram channel again and said, oh, Telegram group, and said, oh, look, I come out too early. That day, I just replied that person and said, look, don't worry, you have done the right thing. You cannot dictate to the market what it does, but you know how to protect yourself. So safety is more important than how much you want to make. Save your account first. So you have saved your account, at least for that day or for that trade, is 0-0. So you play a good game with the market. All right. So you know what happened? What happened was, as it happened here, exactly what happened here, Immediately he made those regretting comments that, oh, I should have left this trade because it's coming back in my favor. Maybe it's coming to hit my take profit target. As soon as he made those comments, the price reversed back, and he reversed back and went to hit his stop loss. But he wasn't in the trade. He already closed his trade. So later, he now commented and said, oh, I did the right thing. I made the right choice. I came out break even. Because those people that didn't come out break even, they went to hit their stop loss. So that's a good example for you, ladies and gentlemen. All right. El Cane, break even is the best solution. Never lose. Yes, never lose. You might, if you go into the market, right? You even in a day, let's say you have 3 trades, and you have 2 break even and 1 winner. Yeah. You never know, maybe those 2 break even could have been your 2 stop losses. You have just saved yourself from 2 embarrassing stop losses. So see a break even as a win for you, because you have saved yourself that minus 25 or minus 30 pips. You just save yourself. So the only time you make sure your trade closes is when it's in profit. You leave it to run when it's in profit. Good. Let it run wide. Let it go to TP5, TP20 if it likes. But when it's going down south, man, no way. You're gonna cock your bullet and take him down. Say, look, you're not going that way. No, I'm pulling you back, man. You're not blowing my account out. So you have to be ruthless when it comes to stopping out your losing trade. And that is what is called trader psychology. You know, many of us, we can't do that. It's difficult. Naturally, it is difficult for human being to do that. We prefer to take small profit. That is psychology about everything generally. So it's not your fault. It's not my fault. That is the way we were wired. Everybody prefer to take small gain. Say, oh, when I see a small gain, I'm happy. At least I've gained something. But when they see a small loss, they say, oh, it will turn around. It will turn around. Oh, it's gonna. Let me give it a chance. It's going to turn around very soon. But it's not going to turn anywhere. It's going straight to your stop loss. Mr. Market know the psychology of human being. Mr. Market is playing on your intelligence. So you see somebody, he has a trade of -5, and he knows that the conditions to which took him to that trade no longer exist. The condition has changed. Maybe he was entering through 2 moving average crossing. So 2 moving averages gave him a buy position, and he was now in a minus. Instead of cutting his trade, he was still sitting down there. And the moving average that gave him the buy position crossed again and gave him a sell. This guy is still waiting. Ask me, what is he waiting for? Oh my God. I say, oh yeah, it's going to turn back. Because he doesn't want to take the -5 stop loss. He doesn't want to take any loss at all. And if you don't want to take losses, you are going to take, if you don't want to take a small loss, you will end up taking the bigger one. So change your psychology, change the way you are thinking about general things. In fact, that's why they said 95% of people lose this money, because 95% of people think the same way. Only few people can turn their mentality around. It's difficult. It is very, very, very difficult to turn it around. But I'm telling you, if you can turn it around, you can change the way you think about everything. In fact, if you can do the opposite of what you are doing before. If you can, we work on our 2 legs, right? So human being, we work on the 2 legs. Now, considering somebody is telling you now to stand on your 2 hands and walk. Do you know how difficult that will be? To stand on your 2 hands and walk. But let me ask you, is it possible? Is that something that you can train yourself to do? Yes, it is possible. How many people do you see walking on their 2 hands? Well, I don't see many people, but gymnasts can do that. But do they do it by magic, or they did it by practicing? Yes, it's not by magic, it's by practicing. So they practice until they can put their two hands on the ground and they can move. But the 99% of people, they are happy to walk on their two legs. So comfortable, isn't it? How you just move left, you move right, you screw to the left, you screw to the right on your two legs, yeah? And somebody is telling you, come and work on your two hands, come and stand, handstanding. Say, no, never. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to fall down. That is exactly the psychology of trading. Until you can change your psychology, don't stand on your leg, stand on your hands. Then you become part of those 5%. Ladies and gentlemen, arrest my case. Oh my goodness. We've gone somewhere today. All right. Okay. Let's come back to reality. Let's come back to life. All right. Okay. Good stuff. Any question? Any question? Break even is the best solution. Never lose. That's true. Ale. Yes. Thank you so much. You like the advice. Okay. You want video on NFP? Video on NFP. I've done a video on NFP, but I can do it again. But the thing is, some of my videos now are on your tradementor.com site. They are on the mentorship site. So if you want that particular video, I will encourage you to sign up. Okay, you can sign up right away and you can get that video tonight. Okay, you can get that video tonight. So you go to, let me show you the website again. I think I did copy last time. Okay, yes. So it will be, if you click register here, it will take you to that registration page. So I can copy, yes, I can just copy this and give you. All right. So you go here. Okay. So you go here and then you join that group. You go to the website and you register. I've already posted to you how you can register for $10 tonight. Okay, you can register for $10 tonight. Today is Friday, so you take the whole of the weekend to enjoy the video content over there. So that is the code. That is the discount code. That code will give you 80% discount on this package. So this package becomes $10 to you. Okay. All right. So the indicator and the strategies are there to download. Let's do. Okay. Somebody asked for US currency pairs. Somebody asked for GBP Japan. GBP Japan. Where is it? GBP Japan. Here we go. GBP Japan. Okay. They asked for GBP Japan. Is this today? Yeah, this is today. Okay. Let's see what GBP Japan does today. All right. So this is today. This is US. This is Asian session. This is Europe session, and that is American session. So, all right. Let's see what happened here. So the trade here, whether we have any trade or not, we shall see. Okay. Now here, look at here. There's no trade. Okay, there's no signal. There's no trigger candle here. So there's no trigger candle here. There's no trigger candle here. Nothing there. Nothing there. So in Asia market today, there is no trade for GBP Japan. Agree with me? No trade for GBP Japan. Okay, we move our shop to Europe. Okay, we move our shop to Europe. All right. Okay, so now we got to Europe, and this should be the trigger candle. All right. So this is going to be the trigger candle because this candle is still touching the line. That candle is the trigger candle. But ladies and gentlemen, even before me telling you, look at the risk you want to take versus the reward. Okay, the risk your stop loss will be here. So you are taking this massive risk from here. That is where you are going to trade from, and this is where your stop loss will be. So you are taking a risk of 43 pips. And what is your target? Your target will be about 20 pips. In fact, it's less than 20 pips. 19 something. Okay, let's even say your target is 20 pips. So you are looking for a target of 20 pips, but you want to risk 43 pips. That is not good enough. So I've said to you a lot of time that when the risk is too much compared to your gain, just ignore it, because it does happen when you have all this big candle and push your entry point to very, very far from this line. Then you know that trade is not for you, so you wait. So for me, there's no trade on this Japanese yen to GBP Japanese yen today. Now we go to American session. So you move you pack your bag again, you pack your bag and you move to the US session. Okay, this one we don't need the other line there. Okay, so you move to American session here. For the American session, our entry point, let me zoom in. Our entry point is, let's zoom in. Our entry point is this one here. Okay, so let's do this quickly. Fingers on the buzzer. Let's give you one more exercise before you go tonight. Okay, fingers on the buzzer. Insert a arrow. Okay, this time around it's gonna be down arrow. Okay, fingers on the buzzer, please. This is, let me choose this one as our. All right, that is candle number 1. Okay. What is the trigger candle here? If we start from this candle, all right, that's number 1. Counting forward, which one is the trigger candle? All right, I need your answer. Trigger candle, please. Okay, will the color automatically show on my session? Yes, the color will automatically show on your session. You need to put the color yourself, Joe. You know, so like those color is here. These are the color settings. So you see the purple you are looking at is here. The sea green that you are seeing is there, and the plum. So you can change the color depending on what you prefer. All right. Okay, so number 9, Afesime number 9, Uhati number 7, Ali number 9, Jocelyn number 8. Okay, I like that. More complex. It's very complex now, which is good. Okay, so Al Mudasha Productions. So yes, I'm following you day by day, almost 5 months, and my Gmail is this. Was sent to you more than 100 times in order to get indicator, but no reply. Which of the indicator do you want? Is this same indicator? If you are looking for this same indicator, you don't actually have to wait. You can get it right away, right now. Sorry about that. You can get it right now as we speak. In the next 5 minutes, you can get it. So how do you do that? Okay, I've put it on this Telegram group. I've attached it to the files on this Telegram group. So just click that Telegram group, register, and then when you get there, you just go to the file area and download it. That's it. That is it. You download it. You don't have to wait for my email. Just go there and download it immediately. Sorry for not have replied you, because there are a lot of emails. Some of them get buried. In fact, some emails are quarantined by YouTube. So people may think that we have received it, but it's not. It's been quarantined. They will put it under not received. Okay, so you've analyzed it again. So it's 8. Okay, yeah, I understand, guys, that it's complex. Okay, I know. I deliberately make it complex. I deliberately make it complex. So let's look at it together. Okay. Okay, so you say, can you continue to trade with London box? even after other boxes are formed, or when the Europe session is over, or I have to change the box next. Okay, it depends. There are two scenarios. If you are in a trade already and your trade is still ongoing with the London box, yes, you carry on until you close your trade. Fine. But if you are in London box, you didn't find any trade, or you have found a trade and you have closed that trade already, and you are waiting for the next thing, and then US happens, then you change your box to US. You don't use London box anymore to find new trade. So your new trade must be found by using US box now. But if you're already in a trade, then you can manage that trade onto closure. I hope that you get that clear. Yeah. All right. So this is number 1. If you say number 1, it is wrong because it's touching the line. Number 2 is wrong. It's touching the line. Number 3 is completely wrong. It's inside the box. Number 4 is touching the line. It's wrong. Number 5 is touching the line. Is wrong. Number 6. Let me look, because I need to get close to it. Wow. Okay. Number 6 is too close. It's too close. So we'll say it's touching the line. It's too close. Number 7 definitely is touching the line. And number 8 is actually our candle. As you can see the daylight between the line and that candle. So there's a gap there. So that is it. Number 8. So I understand I gave you a tough test tonight, but that is what you should be made of. You should understand it very well. So thank you so much for all of you that said 8. Actually, majority of you said 8. All right, let me tell you who said 8. Okay, Afesumi said 8. Jocelyn said 8, right? Afesumi 8, yes. Angela 8. Unati 8. Unati said 8, yes. Afesumi 8. Bolu said 8. Who else? Yes, so most of the people have said 8. Actually, everybody said 8. Maybe 1 or 2 people said different thing. So well done, guys. Actually, if you said 7, if you have said 7, you are no, 7 is wrong, because 7 is this one here. I was thinking if you say 6, so this is 7. 7 is completely wrong, but 8 is the right answer. Thank you so much. Great stuff. Okay. All right, Jocelyn, you said you have noticed pairs like this. If you get signal candle after you get the candle, you wait to pull back for. Okay, you're talking about pullback. Yes. I think I've discussed that as well. That sometimes pullback is even better. All right, pullback is better than entering original. Like this one. This is let me delete this one because we don't need it anymore, so that doesn't confuse us. Okay, for example, this is a signal to buy, right? So some people will not buy at that signal. They wait until they have a pullback, and pullback means price come in the box and came out again, and they will go longer. Okay, they'll go longer and close their trade. Okay, excellent. All right, any more question? Have you heard of the SBS competition? If you're in the SBS competition, let's see your type yes. Let's see if you have registered for the SBS competition. Type yes. I'm in the competition to win it. You are in it to win it, right? SBS competition. Who's there? Do you want me to show the results? The leaderboard. I mean, do you want me to show the leaderboard for SBS? If you want me to show it, I'll show it. If you don't want me to show it, I'll keep it. Oh, yes, Tabang is there. Inati is there. Fesume is there. You want to register? Okay. Let me give you a link to register. Okay. If you want me to show the leaderboard, I can show it. I can show the leaderboard if you want me to. Okay. To register for it is here. Okay. So just click there. It's to the FS Blue website and just register. Okay, so Afesumi want me to show it. All right. Okay. We started on the 1st of July. When is the 1st of July? How many days ago? 3 days ago. We started on Wednesday. Today is Friday. So we started on Wednesday, and with our target was we want maybe 50 people to register, and now we have even exceeded our target. Okay, we've exceeded our target. Let me look for it. We were just looking for maybe just 50 people to register. So you go to fsblue.com. All right, when you get to fsblue.com, you will click competitions, and now we are in active because we've started. It's 1st of July to start, so you click active, and when you click active, then you look for our own. It's called your SBS, your Trade Mentor SBS Challenge. You can see the number of people that are registered. So look at people that are using this website. All these current people, see, we are leading them in terms of the number of registration. This one is old. Well, February. That's long time ago. February. Okay, that was March. But of recent, we are leading. Okay, this guy started yesterday, and there are only 2 people there. All right. So SBS Challenge. You click here. You click SBS Challenge. All right, this is our leaderboard currently. This is it. So we have 60 people that are registered, but the thing is, you must understand the rules. There are two rules that make people to be disqualified. The first rule is that disqualifies people is that you have to start with $1,000 on the day you are joining. Your account has to be $1,000. So if you need to open a demo account, go and do that. Make sure your account is $1,000. That's one. The second thing that disqualifies people automatically, it's not we that will disqualify people. The system, this FS Blue, will disqualify people. The second reason, if you have an open position when you join, or when you connect your account with this FS Blue, and it found any open position, it will disqualify you automatically. So it's not that you did anything wrong, but the system is applying the rule very, very tightly. So if you have any position that is open, make sure you close them, and make sure you actually better is to open a fresh demo account, okay, or you open a fresh live account depending on what you want to do. So if you open a fresh demo account, make sure it is just $1,000 and there is no open position. If you do those 2 things, you will not be disqualified. Okay, so currently we have this person here. Let's see. So this person here have the statistics. All right, so what they are predicting is, at this rate, if this guy is going at this rate, if he's going at that rate, that is, his weekly return will be 47%. In a month, it will multiply his account by 4 times, 408%. All right, so you can see everybody started with the same amount of money. So currently his equity is 1,155. His balance is 1,261. He has a floating balance of -105. And you can see it started with $1,000. Okay, so if you know that you can do better than this, ladies and gentlemen, why don't you test yourself? Put your money where your mouth is. It is free to register. It is free, no charges at all, zero die. No one is charging you for anything. It is free. Yes, you can still register. You can register right now. You know, it's free. Go ahead and register. Get yourself ready for Monday's opening, because it's only started 3 days ago, and you can register anytime. In fact, if you get disqualified, don't worry. You can open a new demo account and go back again, because I know some people didn't realize that an open position will disqualify them, or even if you have traded one small lot size and your money is no longer $1,000 and then you enter, it will disqualify you. Okay, so to register, just go there, and once you click competition, you look for our competition, which is your Trade Mentor SBS Challenge. So remember that you have to come here and say join. Okay, there's a tab there that says join, but before you join, you need to register first. So once you register, you join. Okay, it's gonna be easy. If you need to read the rules are all here. So simple rules. Remember, even though we are not preaching the price that we want to give to people, but just to let you know, just in case that it's something that might be of interest to you, we have prices for winners as well. So first prize is going to take home $300. 5 people will win, and the price goes from $300 downwards until the last 5th person. So you will click join, and you log in. Okay, so if you are among the competitors here, and for some reasons, let me show you the disqualified. A lot of people were disqualified. You can see a lot of people were disqualified, and some people have not started yet. So they registered, but they haven't connect the accounts. Okay, so if you are among these people, try to connect your account. Make sure you're active. If you are not active, the plugin that these people uses will not find you. So your MetaTrader platform has to be on. So your MetaTrader platform has to be on. You have to be on the internet. So you have to be trading for your result to be showing. So if you want your result to be showing, you have to be trading. All right. So I've sent you the link for it. So let's push this number to 100, ladies and gentlemen. Can we do it? Can we do it? We are nearly there. We have exceeded our target. Our target was 50, but as you can see, not everybody that registered are currently trading. So we've only got how many traders? Like 20 something traders, maybe 25. So we want to push the number of active trader. We want to push it to 50 at least. So let's push it. Let's push all our number to 100. Even active trader, let's push it to 100, and let's have a stiff competition. So anybody that win this competition, they will know that it's a hard job. It's a hard job. All right. Good. Thank you so much. Excellent. Any question? Okay. So remember, we talk about your TradeMentor.com. Don't forget about the discount code tonight. If you want to be a member, here is the discount code, because some people come and tell me that they couldn't get the discount code. And if you register without it, you will pay $50. If you use the discount code, you will pay $10. Okay, Ofule, please, I tried to enter the FS Blue. It's telling incorrect password. Yes, I've seen that thing. You know what? Go to your email. Yes. In fact, it pushes me like a few times before I can realize that their password is completely different. So go to your email. They send email to you, and in that email, the username and password are inside that your email. That's the one you must use. Okay, so you must check it on your email. Check for their email on your whatever, or Yahoo or Google, whatever email you are using. They've sent something to you. The password is there. Okay, I understand. Yeah. Okay, which broker offer 1,000 for demo? Okay, IC Market does. Let me send you a link to that. IC Market will. In fact, it's a good question you ask. If you people remember when we started, that is the IC Market. So you can click that link to open a demo account for $1,000. When we started the competition, we were thinking of starting with $500. Actually, we started with $500, but that was before July 1st. When we put the information on, we initially said you should open $500. But we now realize that some brokers, doesn't allow you to open $500 account. Some will allow you to open $100. From there, you go to $200. I think after that, you go to $1,000, like RC Market. So there is no in between, like $500. So that's why we change it to 1,000, because we realize that many brokers will be able to give you $1,000, because they actually want to give you $100,000 anyway. But we don't want that. We could have traded with just $500, but unfortunately some brokers don't offer it. That's why we moved to 1,000. We even think that 1,000 is too much, because we want you to mirror the account size you are going to use in life. So when you really want to trade live account, we want you to use exactly similar amount in demo. But unfortunately, some of them don't offer 500. And if you say $100 is just too little, it's too little to test your ability on $100. You'll be trading 0.01 for the next 1 year. So let's work on that $1,000. So IC Market, we open an account for you for $1,000. Yeah, excellent. So don't count anybody out yet. Don't think because this guy is minus 1% or that guy is minus 16%, they cannot come back. They can come back. They can come back. Okay, so let's watch this space. All right, thank you so much. Any more questions before we round up tonight? Okay, let me quickly check who has registered on the Telegram as we are talking. How many people have registered? Oh, okay. All right. Okay, this guy is asking question. I just want to know, what is one lot size mean for $1,000 account according to the competition rule? Okay. No. Okay. According to competition rule, you can take any lot size you want, but you must apply a good money management rule. Okay, a good money management rule. All right. What do you say, Giants? Oh, Giants has been hiding there. I didn't see you, man. Luckily I scrolled back to see you. All right, you've registered, but I don't know how to join. Okay, to join. All right, to join the competition is very easy. Where is it again? Here we go. So to join, there's a tab here. Okay, so there's a tab here. You just say join. Okay, and then there's a tab and there's a button at the bottom. You click login. So once you log in, once you join them and log in, then this becomes join. Okay, so without registration you can't join, but once you register you can then say join. You join. Make sure you join the right group. Don't go and join the wrong group. Oh, Ali, you disqualified twice now. Okay, it might be either of those two reasons. Maybe open positions, or maybe the account size is not exactly 1,000. It's actually very daft for them to be doing that. They should let people trade. Whether open position or no open position, they should be able to calculate what trade you put on after you have joined. Okay, I want to register, but I have payment challenge. Yes, Oluwaseun, don't worry, we will sort that out. In fact, I will know that Paystack work a lot for people, and Skrill also work a lot, and maybe Stripe as well. So we'll organize something. Okay, don't just hang in there. In a few days we will sort it out. Which broker? Okay, we'll talk about that. Yes, you can see enter. Oh, you are 3rd time lucky. Hurrah! 3rd time lucky. Good. So you are in now. That's good. You're in. Jayes, good to see you. Good evening. All right. Thank you so much. Please, I tried to enter the FS Blue. It's telling me, yeah. I've talked to you about it. Just check your email for the right password. Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is weekend. Talking from the head office here. I know we need to relax and enjoy our weekend with the family. So, I don't want to hold you too long. But by then, I want you to tell me what is good night in your language. Good night or thank you in your language. All right? Because I'm going to round up now. And if I don't greet you in your language, it means that I haven't got your language yet. So get it ready as I greet you now and say good night. So, terima kasih. Eyalama. Spasiba, Siabonga, Bono Note. Okay, let's hold on there. Okay, let's read something else. Okay, where you mean open position, does it mean I should not open a trade? Yes, there should not be any open trade before you join them. So before you join these people, it must be a fresh $1,000 account. But as soon as you join them and you have seen that your name is showing on the list, then you can start trading. So what they are trying to do is to make sure people don't carry profits from the past trades and bring those profits inside to the competition. They want your profit to be those ones that you generated during, not before the competition. Okay. Odaro. Okay. Break even. Break even. Okay. Let's continue. So, ndewo. Ndi maba. Kachifu. Guy Loes. Ninale Kale. Toshbi Alakeya. You etale Kale. Toshibi Alekaye. You etila Kale. Cochrane, Mammon, Grazia, Eyalama, Norway. Thank you so much, everybody, tonight. Thank you for listening. And this is Daddy from Head Office. Enjoy your weekend. And I hope to see you and talk to you again very shortly. Good night, all.